Good morning guys! It's our first full day here in Cebu and tara mag-breakfast muna tayo. So guys, ayun, for the room rate, super okay na or sulit naman na yung breakfast nila. 2,000 plus lang yung rate namin dito per night. And you can also book it through Klook, and alam nyo na, you can use my promo code for discounts on hotels and activities when you book through Klook as well. Guys, we have already checked out na from Big Hotel and 2 PM pa yung check-in sa next hotel natin. So tara, maghanap muna tayo ng cafe kung saan pwede tayo tumambay. So guys, ayun, ang sarap ng coffee dun sa Tightrope and na-enjoy ko yung cheesecake nila. Hindi lang ako masyado nakapag-vlog dun kasi medyo loud yung music and katabi ko yung speaker. So baka maka-copyright tayo. So ayun, we made it to our next hotel. We will be staying here at Bai Hotel for 2 nights and treat to ni April. Sinagot niya tong hotel because meron siyang conference here. Maraming mga international scholars na parang meron silang event hindi ko lang sure kung ano exactly. Pero, ayun, sinagot niya yung hotel natin. And, you can also book this through Klook, of course. And, alam niyo na, pwede niyong gamitin yung promo code ko for discounts, which I will put down below. So, ayun guys, ang ganda ng, ng hotel. I mean, lobby pa lang. Medyo grand siya. And, I think mura lang nakuha ni April to for ganitong level. Around 3,800 per night. Parang special rate para dun sa mga attend ng conference. And meron na yung kasamang buffet breakfast. So, ang bongga. And tara, mag-room tour na tayo. So, ayan guys, as you can see, ang spacious ng room. And ito, merong free water bottles here. And ayan, merong coffee, may tea, may kettle, and then merong mugs here, may mini fridge. And then, merong safety deposit box. And, what's that? Hindi ko siya ma-open. Ay, antaray, may ganito. Pang ano ba to? Yung pang suot ng shoes. Ayan. And then, may plancha guys. Bongga. And then, may bathrobes. Ayan, dalawa. And of course, kung may plancha, may ironing board dyan. Ayun. And ito yung TV nila, guys. Ayan, may desk. Pwede tayo mag-work dyan later. And ito, dalawa yung beds. I think this is a twin double room. Ganun. And ayan, maganda-ganda rin yung view natin dito. Yung bathroom, guys, basic din. Pero medyo spacious naman. Kompleto yung yung mga amenities ng bathroom. Ayan. And ayan, may shampoo, conditioner, bath gel. And for sure, may hot and cold shower naman yan. And may towels there. And eto, may hand wash and may lotion pa here. And syempre, may bidet. Ayan. And that's it for our very quick room tour. Ang ganda ng weather today, very maaraw. Ang sarap sana pumunta sa Mactan Island para mag-resort hopping dun. Kaso may work ako and yun si April may conference. So, baka sa weekend na namin siya mailaban. So, ayun guys, mag-power nap muna ako dahil ang aga ko nagising kanina. And I will see you later. Hello guys, so ayun, hindi na ako nakalabas ng room kasi nagnap ako kanina and then start na ng work ko, so yun, hindi na tayo nakalabas and nagpa-take out na lang ako ng food kay April from a Wall Street Cafe or coffee. And ayun, ang laki ng sandwich and ng cake. Guys, meron nga pala silang pa-sleepers din. Ayan. Perfect. Guys, maghanap tayo ng nearby na convenience store. Ibili lang ako ng water. Wala kasing water dispenser dito. Ayun guys, may nakita na akong 7-Eleven. And parang gusto ko rin mag-take out ng drinks. Like coffee or milk tea. Good morning guys, it's another day here in Cebu and of course let's start this day with breakfast. So excited na ako i-try yung breakfast nila dahil ang ganda ng hotel, so mataas yung expectation ko sa breakfast. So guys, bumaba ako sa lobby, second floor pala yung restaurant, so ayun, kamali tayo. So tara. siya ng bongga. Nakita nyo naman, ang dami nating nakain. So ayun, I just checked out their pool area at the 21st floor. And meron din silang pool bar here. And ang cool, meron gelato. And pinakita ko rin sa inyo yung menu. Just in case gusto nyo tumambay dun sa area. And dalawa yung pool nila. Meron pang adults and meron ding pang kids. So ayun guys, it's afternoon time na and tara samahan niyo ako mag-work from cafe. Sobrang nasarap yung tulog ko kaya late na ako nakaayos. So guys, nandito ako sa Bodega Co-working Cafe dun sa big hotel where we stayed during our first night here in Cebu. And ayun, okay naman yung service nila and I think there's enough space if gusto nyo mag-work here on a weekday. Hindi naman puno and ayun, marami-rami yung seats and they offer free wifi as well and maraming saksakan or power outlets. Guys. So guys, balik na tayo sa hotel and nag-take out lang ako ng donuts and ng noodles sa 7-Eleven. So ayun, magtipid na tayo tonight. And we are back guys. Nilakad ko lang from Big Hotel pabalik here sa Bay Hotel. Mabilis lang naman siya, parang 500 meters away. So ayun guys, nag-request ako kanina ng makeup room and pagbalik ko super ayos naman, nilinis talaga nila yung room and super plus points yun sa isang hotel. Minsan kasi parang kahit mag-request ka, hindi nila nalilinis or na may makeup yung kwarto. So ayun, plus points sa Bay Hotel. Guys, umakyat ulit ako dun sa 21st floor nila, yung pool area. And nandito yung pool bar na pinuntahan natin this morning. Ang ganda ng vibe paggabi. Very chill, very cozy. And ayun, medyo maraming guests na nakatambay dito ngayon. Quick update guys, doon dapat kami sa Wall Street. Doon dapat kami sa Wall Street Cafe. Sorry, nagmadali ako para mahabol yung elevator. Pero sarado na siya. So, ayun, doon kami bumagsak sa Lobby Lounge here at Bay Hotel. And turuan ko kayo kung paano maka-discount. Ayun, i-download nyo lang yung Eatigo. And we got 50% discount.